Hey guys, welcome back to a quick assist video, and today I will be showing you how to manage your YouTube subscriptions. And in case you're not seeing some of the people that your favorite channels and things like that, you can unsubscribe to some of the ones that you've been recklessly subscribing to. So first we're going to want to go to YouTube, and then on the top, the three bars, click that. From here you'll see subscriptions, and then so subscriptions, if you click it, you can go through and these are all the channels that you're subscribed to. But you can actually then just go down and go ahead and push show more, and then you can go to different channels and then click one and then just manually unsubscribe. So then you click subscribe, then go back down. I don't watch this guy anymore, so I'm unsubscribing. And then I can go here and then I can, unsubscribe, or I can scroll back down and see who I'm subscribed to. I no longer watch this at all, so unsubscribe to that. Unfortunately, right now YouTube does not have a option where you can just unsubscribe to multiple channels at the same time. So then they make it difficult where you have to actually go on each one and then you just unsubscribe. So as you can see, there's a ton of channels I subscribe to. Most of them I do not watch anymore. So go ahead and try this out. And once again, it's just all you have to do is go to the top left, the three bars next to the YouTube logo, hit that, and then just go through each one and see if you watch them or not still, and then just unsubscribe manually. All right guys, I hope this video will help for you new YouTube users. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.